Mm. Mila watching Max. Max the bird.
Good boy.
Hello. Hi. How are you today? Really?
Milu, do you like Max the bird?
Yeah. Over here. Over here. Sure. Come on. Sure. Come on. You're not sorry. You're not sorry. Say goodbye. What was that? You knocked the Q-tip on your paper. That's all? You're taking a shower.